that shape morphing is a good strategy for amphibious robots. So limb morphology is usually important for locomotion. For example, we have dogs that walk with their legs, and we have fish that swim with their tails. And we also see amphibious robots that, for example, a tadpole swim with the tail in water. Once they grow, they grow their legs to jump on the ground. So there are two strategies usually used for multimodal locomotion. One is to carry two locomotion systems. Especially when we build a robot, we can build a mechanism. We have two mechanisms, and we can allow the robot to locomote in different environments. And another way is we call it morphing. So my understanding of actually morphing is a little bit different from other researchers. My understanding of morphing is really move and hold, and not only like we change to a specific shape, but also hold the shape for specific functions. So here's one example, and so this is a robot equipped with a tensegrity wheel. The wheel changes shape, and from a bigger shape to a narrower shape. Then the robot can do a lot of different things. So this video shows how the wheel is compressed. Because it's compliant. Later we'll show a video. We drop the robot from very high. So for this robot, we actually